Following our previous event, CWTC is organising another How to Plan and Organise a Local Community Event workshop on Tuesday, 29th of October 2024 from 10 AM to 12:30 PM at the Centre of Wellbeing, Training and Culture, Oldham. The workshop includes to understand your local community, to learn skills in planning and organising community activities, to develop relationships and networking, light refreshments. Please register on Eventbrite with the link in the description below and on screen, or text M Sarwar, CEO, or Adam Reed, admin on 07 541 407 415. Parking is available at Mecca Bingo, John Street, OL8 1DR and the Spindles car park. Looking forward to seeing you there.